Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over my weekly stock picks for the week of July 25th through the 29th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, before we get into my picks for this week, we're going to talk about my picks for last week. Last week was Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon. Okay, so Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, and the market overall had a pretty good week. So of course all of our plays did as well. Nvidia up a little over 6% for the week. Tesla was up 11.25%, and this actually surprised me. I didn't think we were going to go as high as 840. I thought that we were going to maybe go like to 800 or so, but that was really nice to watch. And then Amazon, now up over 6%, did pretty much exactly what I expected it to do, is to get to about the 120, 122 level. Actually got as high as 125 before starting to pull back. Alright guys, so my picks for the week of July 25th through the 29th. Okay, first up is Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. It is the last week of July, which means they are up for some type of announcement on the status of their drilling operations. Basically, they want to, I'm hoping, update us this week on their license status in Israel. And it's going to go one of two ways. They're either going to come out Monday and announce it, and the stock will see some momentum, or they won't say anything on Monday. Stock will tank for a couple of days, and then hopefully, possibly on the back end of the week, they should announce something and start moving the stock in an upward direction. We'll kind of talk about that more whenever we look at the chart. So keep in mind, this is a swing play opportunity I'm looking at here. I'm not really talking more or less about longer term this week. I'm talking about a potential swing that's setting up in someone's favor. So AMC guys is also going, in my opinion, to form a good swing play opportunity for us this week. The Fed is speaking again this week, which means I'm thinking that we're going to see some volatility in the markets, which means I think AMC is going to go lower, which means I'm going to look to get another entry. This will be my fifth swing play on AMC. I'm 4 for 4 so far, and I'm hoping to be 5 for 5. We'll kind of see how that plays out. And then Tesla, guys, I did actually hold on to my Tesla shares this past week. It actually surprised me. We got as high as 840. So even if we have a pullback, I think that this is a healthy move for us moving forward, and I'm excited over the next couple of weeks for this particular stock here. And then on the watch list, guys, is Amazon. We hit as high as 125. Curious to see if we hold that level or if we start sneaking back down to like the 115, 110. I don't think we're going to go that low again. You want to keep an eye on Amazon. This is one to watch, in my opinion. So those are my picks for the week. Let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, taking a look at Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. So currently at about 24 cents. Like I said, it's going to be one of two different scenarios here, in my opinion. Is I guess you could have three scenarios where they don't say anything at all next week, which is possible too. And if that's the case, then you can be prepared for a little bit more downside, I guess. But I think if they don't say anything on Monday, then you see some selling pressure coming down, and we test 22 cents. All right, and we could even go below that, but as long as we stay above about 20 to 21 cents, good sign moving forward. The good thing is, on a longer term perspective, there's not a lot of volume on the selling side. But again, that's kind of really, people are just waiting to see what's going on. You know, they're holding, and they're waiting to see what they come out with, what type of announcement. But as far as a swing play opportunity, then if they announce anything this week, then it should go above 25 to 26 cents. If they wait and they don't say anything on Monday, then in my opinion, you could expect over the next couple of days on that week that you see 22 to 20 cents tested, which would put us at about undervalued territory, which would make for a good swing play opportunity, in my opinion, to ride up to about 25 to 26 cents. Okay. Next up, guys, we're going to look at AMC, the 180 to 4 hour time frame. 47.50 is about to no longer be your overall high of that, and that's going to be updated this week as well. And I'll have to update the fib level. But AMC, like I mentioned, swung it 4 times so far, and the pattern is pretty consistent. The good thing here, we do have a pullback, but it's kind of healthy in an uptrend. So we bounced off of that red SMA line, which is great. Currently, we got to stay. If we go all the way down here, if we bounce off of 1367, that is a beautiful sign moving forward. I do expect some more downside because we had some candles close below the green EMA line, but I'm not sure if we'll get as low as 1367. If we get into the 14s, then we're undervalued, and that's going to make my entry right there. I'm going to come in and probably try to get in at about that level, but I may try to hold off until maybe Tuesday afternoon or Wednesday morning. I think that's going to be the lowest that we see for the week, and then we should hopefully push up, maybe Thursday, Friday. Keep an eye on this pattern here, guys. This longer term cup and handle looking like we're trying to form on AMC. All right, and over the next month, 2 months, if we can continue our uptrend and get up to about $34, $35, that's going to be interesting to see, and see if we can manage a pullback and then slingshot forward. So AMC is one that I'm eyeing, like I said, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday morning, looking to exit Friday or even Monday of the next week. Tesla, again, also is going to be updating its fib level. I'll have to make a technical analysis video on that, and probably AMC as well next week sometime later. I'm going on vacation next week, so you won't hear from me much until the back half of next week. So just kind of expect some videos on then. I'll have some pre-made videos coming up. That'll be, going out through the week as well. So Tesla here, guys, you have your support level is about 750, and your first level of resistance is about 860. Okay, so even if we get a pullback here, as long as we bounce from about 750, I think that's a good sign moving forward. Like I said, I did hold some Tesla in anticipation that we're going to continue to move higher over the next several weeks. So if I'm looking for an entry, if I'm looking for a swing play this week, I'm waiting until we get down to 750, and then I'm probably going to sell at 800 on that swing play there. So anyway, guys, just want to provide you this weekly stock picks for the week of July 25th through the 29th. Oh, and Amazon, almost forgot about Amazon. Amazon did get a sell signal here. So if we bounce off of 120, that's a good sign. If we go below it, then watch for 113. That's your level to watch for a swing. Currently, almost overbought on the 180-day 4-hour. We did kind of pull back. So watch for 120, then 113. So that's all I got for you this week. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.